back to my channel. Okay, I'm gonna open this slime with pearls and shapes. And this is a sand slime. Okay, let's get open it. And this is a green slime. With pearls and shapes. I got these shapes with stars, hearts, and diamonds. And this is a sand slime. Okay guys, I believe it. Na, may borax daw. Ayaw ko patulagan. It's so scented. I gonna see what this is. So scented. So scented. Look in the Oh, I know. This is like a pick me up, push me up. This is smells. No, but smell like strawberry juice. Strawberry juice. Pick me up, push me up. Nom nom. Okay, guys. Ah? Wala pa. Ha? Wala pa. It's so scented. Okay guys, let's go open this. This is scented. Paulit-ulit. This is scented. Paulit. Okay. Okay guys, let's go. Open it. I open it now. Let's go. Let's go. Smell what is there. Let's go smell it. Let's go smell it. I'm so glad. I really like you. Okay guys. Really, may auntie akong Tagalog and at marami akong English. That's why I say Tagalog English. I get a 1/2 in Tagalog and 1/2 in English. I'm Casey. I'm Rachel.
20 years is okay.
Open it now. This is a light green.
And happy birthday naman kay Janela and Abeliana. Birthday natin, Johnny. Happy birthday! Oras naman niya para sa kinatawan ng Luzon. Pangarap niya maging magigiyero.
Ay, madilaw yan.
Walang shortcut sa buhay. Kailangan pahirapan.
Siguro kaya ang galing ko. Mango.
Safe niya ako sa course ng galing ganun. Napakahirap man. Pero
Ginagawa ko ng papa ko at ang aking mga kamag-anak para ako mabigyan ng naiintindihan. Kahit wala
Ikaw.
na si mama, alam kong proud siya sa mga achievements ko sa buhay. Maliban sa graduating na ako sa mechanical engineering, sumasali rin ako sa mga singing contest at main pageants. Hindi ko naman po ako ng mga kanta, tulong ako ng sa Nigeria. At kung manalo ako ngayon sa pangalan, malaking tulong ito para makatapos ako ng pag-aaral, para makapaganda ako sa pagbisan.
Out.
Hindi ko man ako ganap na iningero.
Bye-bye.
Kaya ang ibig
Get it. Oh, what's happened to my head?
Mula sa Luzon, ang Bibong B-Boys ng Laguna, John Rexy Bautista.
Ate. Ate, tignan mo. Kanik, paano to? Sa lapis? Dito sa lapis. Ate, look ko na nga, ate, oh. Show. Smell like greeny the apple. Okay, guys. I wish you don't. Okay, guys. Goodbye. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. Bye.